Hey guys, it's Ellen. I decided while I had an opportunity, I would try to make some videos here. So this first video is going to be how to send an email to the group. So you want to make sure you're signed in. You want to make sure, it'll probably say hello, so-and-so. Sometimes when you sign in, it automatically takes you to the back office. If it doesn't, just head to the back office here. So Team Tools is where you want to be for sending any email communications. You're going to go over here to the email center, and you don't want to fill anything out on this page. You just want to hit email message. It seems silly because TeamUnify is silly. So usually what we do is just come over here to active accounts and hit select all. That's going to email everybody on the team, coaches, everything. So parents, you want to make sure everything is on there. So individual accounts over here, select all. Then you would put in your subject. If you want to blind copy yourself, which you're probably still on this list, so it's probably not necessary. If you want to add any files, choose your file. The other thing is down here, this text editor. So what I would suggest when you're composing your email, do something in Word first and then copy it. And then you just want to come in here and you want to hit delete, and then you want to paste the body of your content, whatever it is you're emailing. It sometimes gets a little wonky in terms of formatting, so you might want to just take a minute and delete any extra spaces or anything. That's helpful. So anyhow, I think that pretty much sets it all. Once you're done with your email, you hit email now. It'll say, are you sure? And then you hit yes. So it'll go to all those people. If you want to create a news item, this news item stays on the home page under the news section. So this is helpful if you want to do something that people are still going to be able to go back and see. You can see how Trish did summer registration that stays on there, and then order apparel that stays on there. I think I can go ahead and click this and delete it, but I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. Oh, there we go. Click. And I'm going to go ahead and delete because the apparel is done. So there we go. That one's done. But if I want to add news, same kind of idea. You want to make sure you do your stuff in Word first because this is so, yucky. You want to put your news date in, put the title. If it expires by a certain day, you can put that. Photos, obviously. I don't know if you want to do voice note. I can't really help you with that part. Your content, and then you can also click send news emails. So then when you click that, it's going to select here. So all active accounts is what you'd want to do. So I'm going to just click out of there, but you'd want to send it so if you want it to post on the site and also send an email, then this is the way to do that process. So hope that makes sense. Basically, again, Team Tools, email centers when you just want to send an email. News is when you want it to stay on the home page. So let me just show you where that shows up. So let's go back to View Team Website down at the bottom. You can either click on News here where it says that, or if you're on the home page, I believe if we scroll down, Latest News is right here. So little introduction there. I'll be making a couple more. So thanks.